Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Fusion's Measure tool. It's located on the Manage panel. We activate it, then we select the entities we want to measure. I'll select a flat edge, and I can see that the length is 100 millimeters. Let's make another selection. Now we see its length too, and the distance between the edges, which is 0, since they share a point. We can also see the angle value, the angle between the two edges, that's 90 degrees. Let's select a third edge. Now the first edge that I selected is deselected. The second edge that I'd selected is now shown as curve 1. Here's a new angle value, 135. Let's select another edge. Since a fillet's a curved edge, we now see a radius value. Let's try selecting a face instead of just an edge. Now we've got some new data. We see perimeter, area, radius, and so on, the parameters that would be appropriate for selecting a face of this geometry. Copying values from the measure list is easy. Just click in the field and then paste to another document like a notepad document. To close the measure tool, just click on this X in the upper left corner. Now let's make our supporting sketch visible. I've brought up the planes as well. Let's activate the measure tool again. We'll select this line and this line. Here we see the distance and angle values. We can also activate the measure tool from the right-click content-sensitive menu. Let's select a plane. Now I have the angle value, 90 degrees, between the planes. We can also measure data between points. Just select the points that you want to measure. And let's close the measure tool. I'm going to bring back the solid, make it visible. Let's activate the measure tool again. It's got a filter that we can use. We can select entities like edges, points, sketch entities, axes, and so on. Or we can select bodies or components. And now when I mouse over, the entire solid is selected. Here I see the body mass property. And let's close the measure tool. This concludes our tutorial about Inventor Fusion's measure tool.